What's goody, people? Welcome back to another breakdown. So yeah, by the title you could tell I lost $123 on my funded. I'm still up, but this was a big loss, but this was a much needed loss, I guess, to remind me that I need to use more tools in my arsenal. I need to use the 4 hour, I need to use the 1 hour, I need to do a top-down analysis before I even consider my bias and take my time when I'm analyzing and stuff. So I realized that today, and yeah, so this is basically what I was looking at. I saw price was really selling off. I was looking on the 1 hour more so. I didn't know price was making a higher low. I should have just like realized that. But I kept seeing lower highs, and then I entered here. Then it just reversed on me on both pairs. So I'm not gonna go into UK 100. I mean German 30 because this is the same setup. And then yeah, just price just once this candle closed, I entered and just bought up, and then stopped me out a lot of money. This was a lot of risk because of where I wanted to put my stop loss, but it's ultimately okay because I can see now the price made a high low, pushed up. It was just choppy for most of the day, and then today it decided to buy up like around 12. So once it pushed down, move up, I could have entered about at these levels, but I really didn't know it was gonna push up like that. So, and I didn't want to trade today, so because I want to preserve my capital for when I make my payout tomorrow, so it's fine. And I just got me another account, so I'm gonna pause that one and build that one from scratch again. So yeah, ultimately, like the 4 hour needs to align with the 1 hour. So price is pushing up, but I think the 4 hour will give me more stronger confirmation and allow me to wait even more and catch the trade when it's ready to just push, and not like how do I say, still want to retrace, like it will just push like once it's done. So I need to start on the 4 hour and then go to the 1 hour for one more structure. But I think the 4 hours and 1 hour is still cool. I haven't been using the 4 hour a lot, but I guess this is a rude awakening that I had to, because it did indicate above these levels. And yeah, once price came above that level, I could have just entered, but I would have been in small profits now, but it's okay. Like, I don't want to trade today. I just wanted to take a break. I might not trade tomorrow as well. I'll just probably come back Thursday, depending on what the price does. If it gives me a proper high low on the 4 hour like this, see how it was, it's just proper high lows, then I could have like moved down, move up, and then I could have just entered there. But yeah, I kept this for the breakdown, but yeah, clearly we don't need that. And yeah, the price was just choppy yesterday. Not really, it just sold off a lot. So it was just correcting, as you can see. It was just giving us that high low, because it did indicate. I just had a heavy level of buyers here. So yeah, so I'm gonna wait for price to just correct, give us another high low, then range for a bit, and then start pushing up again. But we'll see, depending on how these candles play out and everything. So I'll prefer it to do it like this, where just red, then we get a blue candle giving us that high low. But we push this down, moves up with the blue candle. I mean, it is what it is. We'll just see what happens tomorrow. I probably might not trade still, but I'll probably just trade but it's probably gonna correct heavy tomorrow, if I'm being honest, because I was buying the whole day. So it needs to meet another level of sellers eventually. So it's gonna try and push price down and then give us a high low, and then we'll take it back up. So yeah, man, that was a trade that I took that made me lose, but I see why. And yeah, it is what it is, man. I'm not gonna complain. Yeah, this is ultimately what happened. So yeah, man, we just come back stronger. There's really nothing else for me to say. I also need to like write down my step-by-step guide, just so it's like incorporated in my head. But we'll do that. I might give me another funded just to make sure, but I don't want to manage too much. So yeah, I'll just probably keep it at these two. Hopefully I can call the other one because the cap is going to be way less tomorrow. But I mean, I think I can break it down. We're going to see the password. So like, see, I'm up 300, 32% win rate, average is $100 more so like, you know, it's kind of good. The next payout is tomorrow in the next 15 hours, so I'm waiting for that. I've traded more so UK 100 because the risk is much better there, and German 30 is just too brutal unless I decrease the lot sizes, which I probably will, but I don't know. Yeah, so you see 131. I actually lost $131, not 123. It is what it is, man. 828, minus 28. So you know, it's been good overall. So yeah, we'll just see what happens, and then yeah, I would like for price to still push up still in the 4 hour, and then start selling off, and then give us a higher low because it did indicate. So I'm waiting for the correction to play out, and then we'll take it on the continuation, and then yeah, and then we'll just target these highs, and these highs, and then yeah, we'll just see ultimately. But yeah, that's the video. Peace out.